yo, what you saying, what you saying, what you saying? It's Misha and Trisha Carras, 2022, coming at you with some brand fucking, you know what I'm saying? Save my G!
Yo, what you say, what you say, what you saying? My name's Misha and this is my mum, Trisha Carras. We are back and today we're going to be doing a little challenge. Fuck's sake, see you in a bit, say bye.
We are back. No filters on our faces, no filters on our faces. And as you can see, we're outside, so outside means only one thing, yeah? It means that there's a chance.
It's gonna be messy.
Yeah, it's possible that it could be sick. So, one of our
Fans
fans, hey, wrote in one of the comments that we should do the.
from America, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah.
To do the banana and Sprite challenge, saying it was intense. And we said, yeah, why not? So
But I'm not doing it because I've got high blood pressure and I'm not going to risk it myself. So Misha's going to do it while
see
I
that
sit here.
she's high blood pressure,
And I'm
yeah,
ready.
because you want to be sick. So I'm gonna have 3 bananas. I'm gonna put the Sprite. Look, it's not
You're
open.
not going to bottle
Look, it's
that
not
way.
open. Huh?
You're not going to bottle that way.
And this person said, it was their birthday, so I hope you had a really good birthday. Thank you for suggesting this challenge. I feel like you either suggested this
Thank
challenge
you,
because
not thank you.
because you genuinely wanted to see us do it, or you suggested it because you knew that it was going to make us bad. Like, do you know what I mean? I don't know if it was a joke request or what, but either way, we're doing it now. I could have said yeah.
No, not we, you.
Right. It's good like bananas, isn't it? Honest.
They're tough, aren't they? You just bought them, haven't you? Misha, are you sure? Nice, fresh, isn't it?
Tough.
That's going to be hard to come out chewing properly. You might not be sick though, Mish. Do you reckon you will be?
I'm swallowing hard, I'm nervous. That's fine, you know. I went in the shop, bought the bananas. See the way Mum's opened a banana?
Yeah, it's just easier to do it this way. Just get your nail in there and fucking... Dave, you don't want to see Mum doing this, no.
That's one banana.
How many have it?
I don't know what the recommended dosage is.
Totally.
It's taking so long to peel a banana. Why has it got lines running down it?
Fingers. So I'll go in solidarity with drinking, because I don't really like Sprite either. So I'm going in solidarity. Banana's tough, man.
Right.
Are you nervous, Mish? Are you nervous? What is it though with the Sprite and the banana? What's the reaction? Why?
I don't know if it was that dead fizzy.
going to be sick, the lemonade itself. It's not spit.
I don't know what I'm cooking for. I don't know. What we're gonna. Yeah.
It's a bit banana.
What's that, baby? Right.
Well, that didn't work, Mish.
I think.
Was that a waste of time?
I don't know, you know. We could just keep recording them and
Yeah.
go from there.
Nothing. Mish, we stop doing that. You're making me want to vomit myself.
I don't know. I don't think this is going to make me... Unless I've got to give it a minute, let the chemical
but
reaction comes in the gains.
Or you've got a strong constitution. But if you'd have done that, right, and nothing happened, what a waste of fucking... It's not waste.
No, it's not. It's not even... If I'd done it and nothing's happened, that's not even a waste.
No.
That's even better.
Okay.
I think we're gonna say, if I feel any changes in the next however long, if I feel any changes in the next however long, we'll come back. But
At the moment, nothing.
nothing. So we'll see us in about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We'll come back. If nothing's happening, then nothing's happened, and we'll let you know. So yeah, thanks for suggesting the challenge. Unfortunately, at the moment, nothing's happening. So we're gonna say,
Hiya, see ya, bye.
Right, guys, so we're back. I've still had no reaction, but we have just been looking online, and apparently people were drinking a little bit more Sprite. So obviously you can see. In fact, take.
You're just there.
Yeah, it's about there. Yeah, you can see it on the
Yeah.
inside, yeah. I'm gonna drink a little bit more. I think I've aced this one, guys. Cause I'm so sorry. Fingers with me
It's
though.
making you gassy, isn't it?
I can drink bear pop.
Yeah, no.
Like I can drink this and not feel no way. Anyway, on a normal. Do you know what I mean? Especially when we're hanging, when I'm hungover, me and Fizzy Pop are best friends. Don't speak too soon.
I think what you should do is she's not drinking any more of that. Because I think you've aced it anyway, babe. Come on.
Oh.
You drank right down to here. It's not going to work, Mish. It could be a long day, folks.
It could. And now,
Do you feel sick?
huh?
You feel sick?
I think it's. I think it's the Sprite that would actually make you sick.
I think, me personally, if I'd have done that, I would have been sick, Misha. Bad.
So yeah, I think I've aced this one. If when you watch this and you want, like, you don't think I have, write in the comments. So like, tell me what you suggest I should do to do it. Because right now, all I'm doing is filling myself up with pop.
Fizzy pop as well.
In it, like I'm not trying to lose a few pounds. You know what I mean? So we're gonna say one more time.
Hiya.
See ya. Bye.
Jealous. Them jealous. Them jealous. My name is Pashi. I strictly black you see. The cream is my skin, I make it shiny. You cannot what? Stop me.
Can't stop and she's not ashy either.
I'm a mom, I half of me work with me daughter. Black